So you want to mount your phone to your scooter, but you're limited with space and accessibility. Well, Quad Lock's got you covered. Hey everyone, welcome to Roads Voz. My name is Matt, and on this episode we're looking at Quad Lock's bar end mount. So with a lot of scooters there's limited access or limited places you can actually put a Quad Lock mount. But a little while ago Quad Lock came up with a mount called a mirror mount, and it just fits right on here. It is a very simple installation, takes about 5 minutes in total. You really only need to purchase two things. One, the Quad Lock mirror mount, and two, especially if you're carrying an iPhone, you definitely need the vibration damper. So I have a link for both items in the description below, so check them out. Now, you don't even need tools because Quad Lock have got you covered. So the only tool you'll need is this thing right here. And it comes with the Quad Lock mirror kit, and it comes with just about every Quad Lock item that requires this Allen key. And it's quite a simple task, so let's dig into it. So in the kit, you're going to find multiple rubber spacers or washers, and just find one that fits your proper mirror. Now, I've opted to go for the left-hand bar area mirror for the simple fact, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. If you put it on the left-hand side, you keep pushing against it, it might eventually come undone. Now, I haven't had that happen to me, but it's just good practice. I like to keep these on the left-hand side. Not because I use it when I'm riding, no, because that would be illegal. You just put this rubber spacer or whatever you want to call it, then you just slip this straight over. Just one hex screw, it's just one bolt here. Yep. And just line it up. Once you feel it bite, then get it into position where you want it. Now you don't have to do it up gorilla tight, just firm. Normally once it's firm, I normally put the Allen key in, just give it a little turn like that till you can't move it. Doesn't have to, as I said, it doesn't have to be super tight. 2 fingers, once it can't go any tighter, that's plenty. Now I used a vibration damper because I have an iPhone, and as we all know, iPhones are terrible. I'll put it on there. You can see it's too close to the mirror, so I'll just back it off. All right, so there should do it. Yep. Try not to drop the tool. All Dad's saying, that's going nowhere. You'll see some blue on this little bolt. That's Loctite, so you don't need that anymore. I normally just put this on like such. This normally arrives in the pack together like that, so you just need to undo this bolt here very carefully because you don't want this to come apart. If it does, it's no biggie. It just goes back together like such. But we're going to put the vibration damper on. So I've got that in place. Give it a little nip up. That's good enough. Now, the next bit is I make sure this is somewhere where I can get, so I normally like to keep it at 3 o'clock, I suppose you'd call it. And just do it up by hand. Just make sure that can be pushed down freely there. You really don't want the phone touching the mirror. All right, so I need to move that around a bit. So of course that's so close to my hand, I need to adjust it. It needs to be sitting probably a little more horizontal, and I'll keep doing that till I get it right. All right, so I'm quite happy with it there. I can access it quite easily, not a problem. I've been using this setup for the last month and been very happy with it. All right, so mounting it's quite straightforward. You can just put it on at like a 45-degree angle, and it clicks on like that. And to remove it, you push the little blue tab to the right and just turn it to 45 degrees and it just comes straight off. Now, if it's not on properly, it won't click. It'll just keep going. It gets frustrating. Sometimes it's just a case of pull this little blue tab down and line the phone up. Once you got it on, turn a little bit, let go of that, then if it clicks, it's on. If it doesn't click, it's not on properly, but the phone will come straight off. Yeah, I think you get the general idea. Now, once you have the phone mounted on the bike, it's going nowhere. It just does its job. I've never had a phone come out of the mount or actually come off the bike using Quad Lock system. All right, so there you have it. Really easy installation, simple to use, and it's such a good mount to have your phone easily accessible when you're riding. So if you need to take a call, you can pull up quickly and you're not fumbling in your pockets. Anyway, that's pretty much it for me. If you like this video, check out some of my other Quad Lock review videos just here.